Place the ball and dumbbells close to a wall or another stable surface that is high enough for this exercise. Lean against the ball and hinge at the hips to bend over and pick up the weights. Stand with your feet slightly in front of you in a narrow stance with your knees softly bent, hinge at the hips. Lower your torso as close to parallel with the ground as you can. Position your shoulders back and down and your chin slightly tucked. Start with your arms down towards the floor with a soft bend in the elbows. Lift one arm at a time, maintaining that slight bend. You can pause slightly at the top and feel the squeeze in the back of your shoulder. Lower the weight slow and controlled. Try not to let your shoulders elevate towards your ears throughout this movement. Keep your core engaged and exhale as you lift. Remove the ball when you can maintain this hip hinge position.